Hello students, welcome back to my channel. I am your mathematics guide R.K. Nigam. First of all, happy Independence Day to all of you. In the continuous process of discussing PYQs of CBSE class 12 mathematics, today I am with a new problem of inverse trigonometrical functions. The problem has been asked in CBSE board examination 2024 and very important one. What is the problem? The problem is you have to find the domain of this sine inverse x square minus 4. So the problem is not very difficult, but you have to sincerely make an attempt to learn it. So sine inverse x square minus 4. You know about the sine inverse function. Then what is the domain of sine inverse x? It is from minus 1. It is the domain of this function, means x means x. So same situation will be applied here, that x square minus 4 will also belong to minus 1 to 1. Okay, close interval from minus 1 to 1. You can write this situation here, x square minus 4 greater or equal to minus 1 and less or equal to 1. This is the way to solve this inequality. What we have to do, it will be we will add 4 on all the sides. So it will be minus 1 plus 4 less or equal to x square minus 4 plus 4 less or equal to 1 plus 4. To remove this minus 4 here, we have to add 4 on all the sides. It is the rule of inequality you have studied in class 11th. In class 11th. So it will be 4 minus 1 3 less or equal to minus 4 and plus 4 cancels out, and it will become x square and less or equal to root 5. Okay, x square greater or equal to 3 and less or equal to 5. Sorry, if 4 1 plus 4, it is 5. Okay, now when we remove this square, then we will get the absolute value of x. So we will get mod x greater or equal to root 3. If we remove the square sign, you know that it will convert into 3 will convert into root 3 and 5 will be converted in root 5. So this is the way. It is the absolute value of x, that is mod x. And what you know about mod, that mod x is equal to x if x mod is always mod of any quantity is always non-negative, but here is minus x. So don't worry. What is the situation? If you take the negative number over here, mod of minus 2, then if as minus 2 is less than 0, so we will get minus of minus 2, that is plus 2. So mod of any quantity is always non-negative. It is either 0 or positive. It is not. It will not be negative. But when we write this definition, then we use the definition in this way. So here, in the same manner, we will use the definition in these in this circumstance, in these circumstances. So mod x, first we will take if mod x greater or equal to root 3. So if we apply this, if x is greater or equal to 0, then it will be x and 0, then minus x is also greater or equal to root 3. When you multiply both the sides by minus 1, then the sign of inequality is reversed. It is the rule of linear inequalities you have studied in class 11th. So it will be converted into, you get the two results, x is greater or equal to root 3 and x is less or equal to minus root 3. Now when we solve this mod x less or equal to root 5, so in this way apply the same situation here. So it will be, if x is greater or equal to 0, then it will be x less or equal to root 5. Here x less or equal to root 5. And if use this definition, when x less than 0, then we will get minus x less or equal to root 5. And when you multiply both the sides by minus 1, then it gets converted x greater or equal to minus root 5. So you get the two results from here, that x is less or equal to root 5 and x is greater or equal to minus root 5. Now let's see what is the domain of this function. So if we draw a real line, it is 0, it is 0, it is 1, it is 2, it is 3, and so on. It is the extended real number system from plus infinite to minus infinite. It is minus 1, it is minus 2, it is minus 3. Okay. So you know that what is root 3? The value of root 3 is something 1.732, and the value of root 5 is 2.24 approx. 2.24 approx. So where is root 3? Where is root 3? It is 1.732. It will lie in this way, root 3. And where is root 5? So it will be here. It will be here. It is root 5, which is approximately 2.24. So in this way, now where is minus? Where is minus root 3? So minus root 3 is something here. Minus root 3, that means minus 1.732. It will be here. So it will be here. It will be minus root 3. And where is minus root 5? So minus root 5 it will be minus 2.24. So it will be here. It will be here. Minus 1 minus root 3 will be here. Minus 1.732. Minus 1.782. It is minus root 3, and it is minus root 5. So let's see. What is the domain? You know that what is the domain? Domain is from here. Here there will be the sign of less or equal to or greater or equal to in all the results. So we will use the closed interval here. So what is the domain? The domain of sine inverse x square minus 4, x square minus 4 is the closed interval from minus root 5 to minus root 3, minus root 5 to minus root 3, because x is greater or equal to minus root 5. You can see here, x is greater or equal to minus root 5, and x is less or equal to minus root 3. So we have used these two results. We have the four results, but we have to use these four results appropriately according to real line. So it will be minus root 5, close interval from minus root 5 to minus root 3. But here is the break. Let's see. Here is the break. It is minus root 3. So we use we will take this and we will take this. But here is the break. Here is also we will not take this side, we will not take this side. So we will remove this. The second interval which we got, it is from root 5 to root 3 to root 5. So the second interval of the domain will be close interval from root 3 to root 5, this part of the real line, and this will include root 3 and root 5 also, because here is the sign of equality also. So when we want to write the domain of this function, it will be the union of this. It will be the union of this, that is a close interval from minus root 5 to minus root 3, union close interval from root 3 to root 5. So this is all about the solution of this crucial question, the very important question. This is for today. Thank you very much.